You have 2 points of a line. Need the equation, but it slipped your mind. Slope intercept forms what you need. Y equals mx plus b. 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 Let's break it down, learn what it means. M is the constant, that's the slope. So in my last video, you know, measurement of line steepness is positive or negative obliqueness, or the slope can be equal to 0.
To 0?
Just like the quantity of my weakness.
No fragility.
B is the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis. Find it lying on the graph, like you do on the mattress. First we find the slope, that m. Holla, at 2 points, plug him in. Change of x divides change of y, takes m's place like it's on standby. Then we take a point, insert like 2 coins, x and y to solve for b. Algebra that joint. Now our line's an equation, which has applications when we're making calculations with that data representation. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Find the equation of a line easily. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. Find the equation of a line easily. Hey everybody, Mike Wilson here. Thanks for watching the Slope Intercept Graph. I hope it was helpful in helping you understand and memorize this information. If you like this video, do me a favor, hit that like button. And if you loved it, hit subscribe. It really helps me and my channel out. Math raps, science raps, you know, the educational stuff. We out here. Peace.